Okay, this is a 6 marker, so there's a bit more writing to do. Just make sure that you understand what it is you've got to do in this question. So the first bit is discuss the reasons why we're using these polymers in the way shown, and then we've got to look at problems associated with the disposal. So it's kind of two parts. So the first bit is they've helped us out. They've given us a list of uses, and what we've got to do now is explain why these are used in this way, looking at their properties. So the first one, polyethylene. Polyethylene is flexible, it is unreactive, it's waterproof, and it's very lightweight, so it makes it great for the jobs indicated here. Polychloroethane, this is window frames, water pipes. So it's got to be weatherproof, they're going to be outside, and it's got to be quite tough and hard wearing. It's a good insulator if we use for electrical cables, and it is unreactive. Remember, unreactive, inert, the same thing. PTFE, polytetrafluoroethene, this is the non-stick lining in frying pans. So you've got non-stick, it's got to be tough, it's got to be high melting point, unreactive. I would also add to that as well, non-toxic. So if you're going to cook with it, it can't be toxic to people. And then the second part of the question, the disposal of them. Well, there's three ways that we dispose of plastic. The first way is landfill. And if we chuck it into landfill, the problem with some of these plastics are they are non-biodegradable, and therefore they're going to remain in the land for a very long time. And this makes the sites full, so they don't degrade, the sites become full. And this can be harmful to habitats, because we're taking the land, and also they are producing chemicals which are harmful in the ground while they're there. The second way we get rid of them is recycling. So to recycle them is problems with this are we've got to sort the plastics into different types, which takes time to do that. We've also got to go and collect them or deliver them, which has a transportation issue, and that means we're using fuel, and therefore there's going to be CO2 involved. And some of the centres, people report them as being eyesores, so you don't want to be near the recycling centres. And the third thing we do to dispose of polymers is we can burn them. And if we burn them, the problem with this is we get toxic substances released. If we burn chemicals like polychloroethene, then hydrogen chloride gas is produced. Carbon dioxide can be released because they've got carbon, they contain carbon inside them, and that's a greenhouse gas, and that leads to global warming. We can also get carbon monoxide, toxic gas, released, and the ash that's formed afterwards can also be toxic. So it's how we dispose of that.